Hello Dental Implants family, Alin and Naraki here. Today we're going to show you the case of a complete dental transformation for one of our patients involving almost complete extractions or removal of the teeth and replacing most of them on implant supported bridges.
I knew how bad my teeth were and I knew what we were trying to get. So I came in knowing it was going to be a lot of work. The emergency reason I came in is I had an abscess. It was really swollen, like almost as big as a baseball. It's probably.
You see a large abscess between the cheek and the teeth of the patient. We're going to cut it. You see a lot of pus coming out of it. Drain it.
My mom was willing to help me get my teeth fixed, so we started coming in, and I knew it was going to be a long process, and it was, but at the same time, it was quick. And I mean, it's crazy to be here already with like just beautiful teeth that fit perfectly, and I'm excited to learn how to talk better again and to eat better, and just feel like I can smile and be more myself. So this is really an amazing feeling.
Here is the patient on the last stage with 2 implants placed in the front. And here's a permanent bridge placed over these implants. Teeth are so very important. You can see from the picture, he's ecstatic, he's happy. And the biggest reward for us is to see our patients happy.